Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 10, mensuration chapter, exercise 10.1. Yesterday's last class we learned some more questions. Today another questions we are going to learn. First question, question they given us, find the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter is asking, find a perimeter. Find the perimeter, triangle sides are 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle. How to find out? First we draw a rough diagram of a triangle. You can give a name of any name we can give, ABC. Here one side give us 10 centimeter, second side 14 centimeter, third side 15 centimeter. How to find out the perimeter of a triangle? A perimeter means sum of three sides represent as a perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter is equal to answer. Perimeter is equal to sum of three sides. AB side plus BC side plus AC side. AB side is 10, BC side is 14, AC or CA side become 15. They add 10 plus 14 comes to be 24. 24 plus 15 comes to be how much? 39 centimeter. Perimeter represent us in the same unit. I hope you can understand this first question. Same way second question, finding the perimeter of a hexagon shape, regular hexagon shape, hexagon. Sides are each side measure is given. Each side measure is given there, measuring 8 meter. So hexagon has how many sides? Four-sided figure we call it as a quadrilateral. Five-sided figure we call it as a pentagon. Six-sided figure we call it as a hexagon shape. In hexagon shape, here see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six-sided figure. Here mark it as A, B, C, D, E, F. Marking time. Six side is given measure. Hexagon case all sides values are equal. One side measurement is given 8 given means AB side also 8 centimeter, BC side also 8, CD side also 8, then ED side also 8, EF side also 8 centimeter, AF side also become, that is the meaning. But one formula is there. Using that formula easy to find out. Perimeter of a hexagon, finding formula is there. Perimeter of an hexagon is equal to hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. So 6 times side value multiplied, 6 into side. Here side value is how much they gave? 8 meter. So instead of that to place side to place, we can substitute 8. So 6 8s are how much? 48 centimeter is meter is they given as a meter. So our unit also represent as a meter. 48 meter comes as the perimeter of the hexagon. Pentagon case, pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. Perimeter of a pentagon asking them easy way, 5 into side formula applied. Then equilateral triangle case also, equilateral means all sides are equal. So how many sides it have? Actually 3 sides. Perimeter asking time 3 into side value. That way we can do, or otherwise each side values are adding. Anyway you can solve that sum. Then next, this is our second question. Next, the third question says that to find the side of a square. Here, find the side of a square. Third question, find the side of a square. Side of a square whose perimeter is given. Square whose perimeter is given. Whose perimeter is 20 meter is the perimeter. Find out the side of a square. Then here what is the formula for finding a perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square formula is 4 into side. So we can write the formula as a perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side is the formula. That perimeter value is given. You don't want to find perimeter. It is given in the question. That is equal to how much? 20. What they asking? Find out this one side asking. One side of a square asking. What they asking one side? We know that square special to all sides are equal. One side measurement is equal to remaining all four side. That's why they asking side value. Side how to find out this 4 goes to opposite side. We can find the side. So otherwise directly left side right side cancellation doing. Left side 4 table for 1 time. Right side 20 4 table 25 times. So 5 side value become how much? 5 meter is the one side of the square case. That is the meaning of this third question. Next question, fourth question. Fourth question they tells about fourth question is perimeter of a regular pentagon. Perimeter of a regular pentagon. Pentagon is 100 centimeter. Perimeter is given there. Then find the side value. Find the what side of a pentagon. How to find out? There also for pentagon has how many side? 5 side. Earlier I said what is the formula for finding a perimeter of a pentagon? 5 into side is the formula for finding a pentagon case. That formula directly we can apply. Perimeter of a pentagon is equal to formula is 5 into side. That value is given. You don't want to find perimeter. That is equal to how much? 100. What they ask you to find a side value? Ask side value how to find out? 5 side to opposite side. So it comes to or otherwise here left side and right side cancellation means cancelled after write the answer. 5 table 5 1 time 5 table 100 how many time? 20. Therefore side of a pentagon how much we got? 20. Which unit? 20 centimeter is the unit. So centimeter wise we can write. That is the meaning. Then next fifth question. Fifth question they says about a piece of string piece length is given. Piece of a string is 30 centimeter long. Length of the string is given 30 centimeter. What will be the length of each side? Length of each side. Three different shapes they asking. First side they mentioned about a side of a square. Find out side of a square shape. Find out. How to find out what is the actually length means perimeter. Perimeter of the string is given as how much? 30 centimeter. Then square shape asking. So what is the formula for finding a perimeter of a square? 4 into side is the formula. 4 into side value they given as 30 they are given. So we can write it as here perimeter is given like piece of a string is 30 centimeter long means perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to square case perimeter is 4 into side. That value become how much? 30. So side value how to find out? Side is equal to 30 divided by 4. Cancelled and right. How much 30 is divided with 4 means what is the answer? 7, 28, subtract 2, decimal point 20 means 7.5 centimeter is the one side of a square shape. We can say that. Then next B question same way, piece of a string no change, piece of a string is 30 centimeter long. Here which shape they already I said 3 shape given and asking side of that 3 shape. First is shape square case. So one side of square shape become much 7.5. Same way equilateral triangle case. Equilateral triangle perimeter. What is the formula? Equilateral means all 3 sides are equal. For perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side is the formula. That is equal to how much? Length of the string. Length of the string is how much? 30. So that is equal to 30. Side value find. How to find it? Right and left side cancellation possible. Cancelled after side value will get it. 3 table 3 1 10, 3 table 30 10 10. Therefore side of an equilateral triangle is equal to how much centimeter? 10 centimeter is the answer. Next C question they are asking another diagram, regular hexagon case. Find out the side of a regular hexagon. Hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. So we can write it as a perimeter of hexagon. Perimeter of hexagon formula is 6 into side. That value is equal to the length of the string. Length of the string is how much they gave? 30. So we can write it as 30. Cancellation possible. Cancelled and one side of the hexagon find out. That is the question. 6 table 6 1 time. 6 table 30. How many times? 5. Therefore side of a hexagon is equal to how much? 5 centimeter is the answer. I hope you understand here. In 5th question, 3 questions are the 3 different shapes. That 3 different shapes side asking a perimeter is equal to the length of the string. Using that string measurement, each diagrams, that is first diagram is square one side value find out. Second diagram is equilateral triangle one side measurement find out. Third C question is finding the side of a hexagon case. That is the 5th question. Then next question they says about here 6th question is 2 sides of a triangle. 2 sides of a triangle is given that 2 sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. It is given in the question. 12 and 14 centimeter. Then same way perimeter of the triangle also they gave. Then the perimeter of a triangle is given as 36 centimeter. What is the third side? What is the third side of the triangle? Third side of the triangle find out. Here look at the diagram. Here in this diagram we can give mark it as ABC is the triangle. Just we only give the triangle name. Then first side we can take it as AB side. Measurement how much? 12 centimeter. Second side we can consider it as BC side. How much? 14 centimeter. But third side not given. But what they given? A perimeter is given. Perimeter of a triangle, how to find out? What is the formula? Sum of the 3 sides we call it as a perimeter of a triangle. So that formula apply and find out. So we can write it as a perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to, formula is sum of the 3 side, AB side plus BC side plus AC side. You don't want to find, it is given in the question. How much perimeter? That is equal to 36. Then knowing values, two sides values we know, that side value substitute and third side value find. AB side how much we marked 12, BC side how much 14, AC side third side unknown, third side find out. 14 plus 12 comes to be how much 26 plus AC is equal to 36. Therefore AC side is equal to plus 26 goes to opposite side comes to be minus 26. So 36 minus 26 become how much? 10 centimeter is the measurement of a third side. Third side measurement become how much? 10 centimeter. In this way we want to find out. I hope you can understand this topic. Remaining topic we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.